Imagine if the key to living longer and feeling better was largely in your hands. Did you know that 80% of our health outcomes are influenced by our environment and lifestyle, and only 20% are linked to genetics? That means we are largely in control of how we age. This revelation is both empowering and encouraging. Every choice we make, from the food we eat to how much we move, sleep, and connect with others, can shape our health, vitality, and overall well being as we age. One of the most powerful tools for aging successfully is our diet. The food we choose to nourish our bodies plays a crucial role in our energy levels, cognitive health, emotional balance, and physical resilience. A diet rich in nutrients not only helps prevent disease, but can also improve our quality of life as the years go by. Over the past 10 years, I've embraced a mostly plant-based lifestyle, what I like to call being a Mediterranean vegetarian. It might sound intimidating at first, but it's actually quite simple, flexible, and delicious. There is a variations of plant-based diets. Vegans avoid all animal products, including dairy and eggs. Vegetarians consume plant foods along with eggs and dairy. I'm not rigid about it. I make choices based on the options available, always aiming to do the best I can. Over time, I've learned that consistency matters more than perfection. A plant-based diet focuses on eating primarily from plant sources: whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It doesn't necessarily mean giving up all animal products. You can still enjoy fish, poultry, or even meat occasionally if you wish. What matters is that your plate is mostly filled with whole, unprocessed plant foods rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes plants, olive oil, fish, moderate wine consumption, and small portions of meat and poultry. The MIND diet, Mediterranean Dash Intervention for Neurodegenerative Delay, combines elements of the Mediterranean and Dash diets and is designed to support brain health and reduce the risk of dementia. Scientific studies consistently show that people who follow plant-based diets tend to live longer and enjoy better health. These diets can lower blood pressure, stabilize and reduce cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, improve mood, reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers, protect against inflammation and cognitive decline. Another fascinating insight comes from the study of blue zones regions of the world, where people live significantly longer and healthier lives. These include Okinawa, Japan, Sardinia, Italy, Nicoya, and Costa Rica. One common thread among them, they are predominantly plant-based diets. Residents in these areas eat lots of vegetables, beans, fruits, whole grains, and nuts, while eating meat sparingly and avoiding processed foods. With so much information available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by diet trends and media messages. My advice? Start with what you like. You don't need to make drastic changes overnight. Add more vegetables to your meals, swap refined grains for whole grains, try new legumes like lentils or chickpeas, and snack on vegetables. My personal approach: I eat fish about twice a week and occasionally poultry, but I avoid red meat and processed meats. It's not about deprivation, it's about nourishing my body in a way that supports longevity and vitality. I also prioritize quality. When possible, I choose organic and unprocessed foods, trusting in the wisdom of nature. Final thoughts: nourishing ourselves at every level. In the end, successful aging is not about avoiding wrinkles or chasing eternal youth. It's about living well, feeling vibrant, and maintaining independence, clarity, and joy as we grow older. Through daily choices, especially what we put on our plates, we can shape a future filled with energy, gratitude, and purpose. As Hippocrates wisely said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." Aging successfully isn't about trying to be forever young, it's about being vibrantly alive in each moment. With every thoughtful choice, especially at the table, we nurture not only our bodies, but also our purpose, resilience, and joy. So let's nourish ourselves, body, mind, and spirit, one mindful meal at a time.